Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dream and today's transformation is very special because as you know the Diwali festival season is coming close and we really need to look the best, like super best. Just kidding. So this transformation is very colorful, joyful and special because it's like you can not only wear this kind of transformation in Diwali or festival seasons but I guess also in the occasions like wedding or functions like that. I think it would look very cool and nice, I guess. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
So firstly you need to collect all the beautiful laces as much as you can. Once you have decided what kind of laces you want and where you want to place them, start attaching it together layer by layer. Now you can get such kind of fabric easily in stores but they are quite expensive. Pin it together first by laying it on the top of each other like so. Cut off the extras and then attach it with a top stitch. Make sure the length of the skirt is enough for you. This is how something it should look like. I had only taken 2 meters but I really wish I had taken more, but anyways. Cut it in half as the front and the back will be cut down separately. Take one part first and fold it in half. Measure the waist and divide it with 4 and add 1 inch of seam allowance. From the marking till the bottom, draw a slant line till the end like so and cut it off. Do this for the second part as well. So you will have 2 such pieces. Place them facing right sides together and close down one side opening. Once you have done that, you should be ready for the next step, but I wanted this lace on the waistband and this was the smallest one and I really couldn't take a risk to attach it before cutting, so I'm doing it now after cutting the waistline. The skirt was feeling very itchy from inside, so I had to add a lining to it. I just simply traced the main skirt on the lining fabric like so and cut it off. Close down one side of the lining as well. Place the lining fabric on the main fabric facing right sides together and attach them from the waistband. Pinning down stuff really makes the work very easy and faster. Once you have done, flip it over and top stitch it down so the lining stays in place and doesn't move. I really didn't have time to do the zipper by myself, so I got it installed from outside from a local tailor. Close down the remaining opening of the main fabric as well as the lining fabric separately. And you're done!
I hope you enjoyed the transformation, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and until next time, dream